Welcome to today's video of spiritual awakening, a concept that invites you to release fear and discover a profound sense of calm. This journey is not just about finding peace momentarily, it's about transforming your approach to life, understanding the roots of your fears, and learning how to go through them with grace. Today, we look into what it means to undergo a spiritual awakening, setting the stage for a life less dominated by fear and more driven by calmness and clarity. Spiritual awakening is often seen as a lofty, elusive concept reserved for those who dedicate their lives to meditation and solitude. It's much more accessible and practical than most people realize. At its core, spiritual awakening involves a profound shift in how you perceive yourself and the world around you. It's about seeing beyond the everyday concerns and fears that cloud your mind and gaining a clearer, more connected understanding of life itself. Many people misunderstand spiritual awakening, assuming it must involve mystical experiences or dramatic changes in lifestyle. In reality, it's about subtle shifts in awareness that can lead anyone to a deeper sense of knowing and peace. This process doesn't remove you from reality or your daily responsibilities. Instead, it helps you approach them with more wisdom and less anxiety. Before we can address releasing fear, it's crucial to recognize its presence and understand how it influences your behavior and well-being. Fear is a common emotional response to perceived threats and uncertainties. It often manifests as anxiety, restlessness, and an overwhelming sense of dread. These feelings can keep you from making decisions, trying new things, or expressing your true self. It's important to identify the specific fears that hold sway over your life. Do you fear failure, rejection, or perhaps the unknown? Acknowledging these fears is the first step towards managing them. Recognize that fear, while a natural part of the human experience, shouldn't dictate your life choices or your level of inner peace. Fear also affects your mental and emotional health by triggering stress responses that can be harmful over time. Chronic fear can lead to a range of physical and psychological issues, from sleep disturbances to a weakened immune system, making it even more crucial to address it head-on. Understanding and recognizing fear forms the foundation of your journey towards a calmer, more centered life. As we move forward, we'll explore methods to release these fears and embrace a state of calm that supports a healthier, more fulfilling life. Understanding where your fear stems from is crucial in overcoming it. Fear is not just a spontaneous emotion, but often a product of past experiences and deeply ingrained beliefs. And it can arise from negative experiences that have left a lasting impression, teaching you to be cautious or avoid certain situations altogether. By tracing the roots of your fear, you gain valuable insights into why you react the way you do in certain scenarios. Cultural influences play a significant role in shaping your fears. Societal expectations and norms can pressure individuals, creating fears around nonconformity or failure. Recognizing these external pressures helps you differentiate between what is truly your own fear and what is imposed by societal standards. Understanding the origins of your fears is a step towards rationalizing them and reducing their impact. When you see the reasons behind your fears, they become less daunting and more manageable. This awareness is your ally in the journey towards spiritual awakening, as it provides you with the knowledge to challenge and overcome your fears effectively. Preparing to let go of fear is a process that requires intention and a conducive environment. Start by setting a clear intention to release your fears. This intention acts as a commitment to yourself, a promise to work towards a state of calm and reduced anxiety. It's important to be patient and gentle with yourself throughout this process. Rushing or being overly critical can reinforce the fears you're trying to release. Creating a supportive environment is also vital. This could mean arranging a physical space where you feel safe and calm, perhaps a quiet corner of your home with comforting items like soft blankets, calming scents, or soothing music. It also involves surrounding yourself with people who support your journey and understand your Goa. Adopting regular practices that promote relaxation and mindfulness can enhance your readiness to let go of fear. Activities like yoga, meditation, or even simple daily walks in nature can help stabilize your mind and reduce anxiety. These practices not only prepare you to release fear, but also strengthen your overall mental and emotional resilience. While you build these habits and foster an environment that supports your spiritual growth, you'll find that releasing fear becomes more natural and less forced. This preparation is not just about dealing with fear when it arises, but also about creating a lifestyle that continuously nurtures your spiritual well-being. Now that you've laid the groundwork by understanding fear and preparing yourself mentally, the next step is to actively release it. Letting go of fear doesn't happen overnight, but it can be addressed with practical steps that you can incorporate into your daily life. One of the most effective techniques is focused breathing. Controlled breathing helps calm the nervous system, reducing the tension and stress often triggered by fear. A simple method is to take slow, deep breaths, focusing entirely on the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. This brings your attention to the present moment and helps clear the mind of anxious thoughts. Another method involves mindfulness, which encourages you to observe your fears without judgment. When you feel fear creeping in, instead of trying to push it away or ignore it, simply acknowledge it. Recognize it for what it is, a reaction, not a permanent state. And by doing this, you detach from the grip that fear often holds. Meditation also plays an important role here, offering you a space to quiet the mind and observe thoughts without getting overwhelmed by them. Regular meditation strengthens your ability to let go of fear as it arises, creating space for a more peaceful state of mind. Affirmations can also support your efforts to release fear. Repeating simple positive statements like "I am safe" or "I am in control of my thoughts" can help shift your mindset. These affirmations act as reminders, helping you to realign your focus whenever fear starts to dominate your thoughts. Consistently practicing these techniques over time helps reduce the power that fear holds over you, allowing you to approach life with greater calmness and clarity. As you work on releasing fear, it's equally important to nurture a sense of calm within yourself. Calmness is not something you can force, but something that you can cultivate through small, intentional actions. One of the key aspects of finding calm is simplifying your daily routine. Start by identifying what creates unnecessary stress in your life and look for ways to simplify it. This could involve setting clearer boundaries or managing your time more effectively so that you aren't constantly rushing from one task to the next. Another helpful practice is engaging in activities that promote calmness. These can be as simple as taking a walk, spending time in nature, or sitting quietly with a book. The goal is to find activities that naturally quiet the mind and body, allowing you to reset. It's also important to give yourself permission to rest when needed. In a fast-paced world, rest is often undervalued, but it plays a critical role in maintaining your sense of peace and balance. Maintaining calm during challenging situations can be more difficult, but it's possible by practicing awareness. When faced with a stressful situation, pause for a moment. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to respond from a place of calm rather than reacting impulsively. Over time, this practice will become second nature, helping you remain steady even when circumstances are less than ideal. While you continue releasing fear and cultivating calm, it's essential to equip yourself with the right tools to deepen your spiritual awakening. These tools are simple practices that help you stay connected to a sense of inner peace and clarity. One of the most powerful practices is meditation. Meditation allows you to quiet your mind, center your thoughts, and access a deeper level of awareness. By setting aside just a few minutes each day to sit in silence, you create space to observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. This helps you detach from negative emotions and fears, enabling a clearer focus on what truly matters. Journaling is another effective tool that aids in spiritual awakening. Writing down your thoughts and emotions can bring clarity and help you process experiences more mindfully. By keeping a journal, you gain insight into recurring patterns of thought and behavior, helping you understand where your fears originate and how they affect your daily life. Journaling also provides a safe space to express your intentions and reflect on your progress, keeping you grounded and focused on your spiritual development. In addition to these practices, regular physical activities like yoga or simple stretching can support your spiritual growth. Movement helps release built-up tension in the body, making it easier to maintain a calm, peaceful state of mind. These activities not only promote physical well-being, but also encourage mental clarity and emotional balance. By incorporating these tools into your daily routine, you strengthen your spiritual connection and continue your progress toward a life free from fear and full of calm. Once you have started using these tools, maintaining your progress becomes key. Spiritual growth isn't a one-time achievement. It's a continuous process that requires consistent attention. One of the most effective ways to maintain your spiritual well-being is to integrate moments of mindfulness into your daily routine. This can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths before starting your day or pausing to reflect for a moment during a busy afternoon. By consistently grounding yourself in the present moment, you avoid being overwhelmed by fear or anxiety. It's also important to revisit and reinforce the practices that have helped you. Regular meditation, journaling, and other calming activities should become habits that are woven into the fabric of your everyday life. Just as you take time to care for your physical health, your spiritual health requires ongoing care. Scheduling these moments for yourself ensures that you stay aligned with the calm and peace you've cultivated. Another way to sustain spiritual growth is by seeking out inspiration and support from others who are on a similar path. These connections can provide valuable insights and remind you that you are not alone in your journey. Maintaining your progress means being gentle with yourself and understanding that growth takes time. Some days may feel easier than others, but by staying committed to your practices and keeping a mindful approach, you can continue moving forward with a greater sense of calm and clarity. While you move forward on this path, remember that spiritual awakening is not about perfection, but about progress. Releasing fear and cultivating calm are steps you can take each day, knowing that each moment of mindfulness brings you closer to inner peace. By practicing the techniques we've explored, meditation, journaling, and mindfulness, you are nurturing a calm state of mind that helps you navigate life with clarity and ease. Keep applying these tools consistently, and you'll notice the positive effects not only in your spiritual life, but in your overall well-being. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By sharing, you help others discover the same peace and clarity you're working toward. Stay tuned for more insights and practices to help you on your journey toward living a more peaceful and mindful life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.